Hello students, how are you? I am your Mistry sir. Welcome to my channel Mistry sir classes. In this topic, I am going to discuss calculations involving unit cell dimensions, which is known as density. So, what about density? Before the topic we are going to discuss, so I want to tell you some general aspects of density. Now, density means compactness. Now, what about compactness? Previous video I told you students. So, we have learned that different type of the cubic unit cells differ in different packing fractions, that is with respect to the space occupied by the constituent particles. These are expected to differ in their relative densities also. Now, let us derive the general relations between edge length and density in a unit cell. Now, previous video I taught you what is the radius ratio and relations between radius ratio and edge length. So, it is also depending on the edge length. So, previously I would talk you now what is the importance of radius ratio and relations between them. So, here it is very important. Density means compactness, that means atoms which type of compact to compact constituent particles between them. So, that means their force of attraction is very high. Now, pressure will be very high, temperature will be very low. So, here it is the characteristic of density. So, it is also known as rho. Now, this is shine and it is represented rho. So, density which is equals to mass upon volume. So, here it is very important. Now, what is the sense of mass? Mass means atom of mass, atom of mass. Now, which substances having mass, that is atoms. And what about volume? Volume means edge length. So, last time I taught you what about edge length and volume. So, it is also represented in different ways. Now, density which is equals to mass upon volume. Now, volume it is also represented as A3, that means height, length and weight. And whenever it has to be different in further. Why it is? Whenever edge length is different, that means height size differ in length size differ in length weight. So, that means which time having edge length is different, so we put on the different value. So, here it is very important. Now, I want to tell you students, now see here, if that case we interpret on the three-dimensional 3D space, that means x, y, z. Okay, now x having a, y we having consider a b, and z is c. Now, as we know, a in front of form one alpha angles, and b form in front of b, and c also in front of c. Now, ABC parameter interpret to each other to form one different kind of unit cell. So, we talk about here it is crystal, that means simple cubic cell. Now, simple cubic cell, they are three types, that means SCC, BCC and FCC. Which means their angle is, that means A which is equals to B which is equals to C, and also alpha which is equals to beta which is equals to gamma having 90-degree angles. It is so much important. That means their all edges are same, that means A, B, C, that means all are the same like A. So, I am putting here A. Now, next one is the requirement of the densities, that means how to calculate densities, and in which substances we required to calculate on this theory, on this equation. So, first of all, rank of unit cell which is known as Z, and Z also known as atom, atom per unit cell. Atom per unit cell, I want to tell you students, isn't it clear what about atoms per unit cell? That means whenever I talk about simple cubic body centered or FCC, that means simple cubic cell, that means they lie about 8 atoms. Now 8 atoms which is equals to 1 atoms, which is equals to 1 atoms. That means SCC unit cell per unit cell is 1, per unit cell or unit cell is 1. BCC to FCC 4, FCC 4, that means those crystal having different unit cell, these are represented per unit cell. And mass of atom, so here it is two substances. So first of all I talk about mass of one atom, mass of one atom which is equals to molar mass upon Avogadro number. That means if that case Avogadro number we cross multiply. Now see here, molecular mass. What about molecular mass? Molecular mass which is equals to mass of one atoms, mass of one atoms in Avogadro number. Yes, previous class if you learn mole concept, so definitely you will understand here what happened is there. So finally we reach the formula density. It is represented rho, which is equals to Z into molar mass upon volume into Avogadro number. Here it is very important, Z, that means now different kind of unit cell having different value, SSC1, BCC2, FCC4. Okay, so here it is where Z which is equals to rank of unit cell, mm which was to molar mass of atom, v volume of unit cell which is represented a cube, or whenever edges are different they are represented in ABC. And finally Avogadro number, it is represented as Na, and that's value is 6.023 into 10 to power 23, and many books are having a different now 6.022, or many books 6.023. so here it is, doesn't matter, because point 1 to 3 digits are there, they are not affected in the values. So in this data, by using this data we calculate some numerical questions. So I think you understood, students. Here now one of the notes, see, note means now many cases of these questions density has given in on the questions, but ask the unit cell, molecular molar mass, Avogadro number, etc. Now packing are different in SCC, BCC or FCC. So using this data we calculate some basic important questions. Here it is also. So before solving questions, one more thing I want to tell you, students. Now you note this particular portion, it is very important point. Now see, there are 5 different parameters in relationship. The value of any one can be calculated if value of the other parameter are known. Here it is very important because all are different. And one more thing I want to tell you, now many time questions edge length is expressed in picometer units. In case the expressed in any other unit, please convert into the same parameter. There is no needs to mention its unit in its calculation. Now let's begin the first question, density based numerical. So question number first, A is FCC elements, their atomic mass is 60, has cell edge of 400 picometer. Now what is the density of unit cell? Now here it is very simple questions. Now see here, Now first of all I want to telling you now this type of questions if in front of you, so what you have to do, because many students having very poor on mathematical equations. So first of all it is very important or needy, that means formula. So you can write here formula rho, which is equals to Z into molecular mass upon volume into Avogadro number. Now here it is a formula. Now let me one more thing I want to telling you. So first of all if any questions having picometer, so as we know picometer convert into centimeter, picometer 1 picometer convert into centimeter, that is 10 to power minus 10 minus 8 centimeter. If I take a meter, 1 picometer having 10 to power minus here it is meter, and centimeter 10 to power minus 10. So here it is very important. Now see, now first of all you will check here now which parameter are available and which are needs. So first FCC, that means Z value which is 4 because it is FCC, and A value, edge length is A, which is equals to 400 pm, and atomic mass, that means molar mass is 60. So out of 4 there is 3 value. So you put on just density because question asking the density. So 4 into 60 mole per 60 mole what is 60 gram per mole. Okay, and edge length is 400 cube into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power minus 23, and I am also here writing 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter because I am not mentioned picometer. So if that case we multiply on this unit. Now see students, now see all of values. Okay, density which is equals to, first of all 2 16 240 gram per mole. Okay, now here it is. Now see here, see here, (400) into 400 into 400, which is equals to multiply 6.023 023. Now here it is some mistake value 0.6.023. So what is the value? Value is 385472000. Now see students, now I am just dividing here. Now you mentioned here 10 to the power minus 7 here, because minus 30 subtract on the plus 23. Now see, I am writing here 385472000. Yes. Now divided 240 4. So I am just opposite doing here, sorry. So first of all 240 divided, oh my god, 240 divided 185 38547,200. Now what is the formula? 6.2. Now here it is 6.2. 6.2. Now see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means we have this type of value 1 digit. So 8, that means 10 to power plus 8, so plus minus 1, so 1 is there is not mentioned here. So this is the density. Now density is represent gram per centimeter. So here it is very important, students. So next two questions, test yourself questions. The density, the age length of the NaCl unit cell is age length, which is age value is 465 pm. What is the density of NaCl? Very simple questions here. Now silver forms CCP lattice and X-rays studies of its crystal shows that the age length of its unit cell is 408.6 picometer. Calculate the density of silver atom. So here it is same questions. Now calculate the density of silver atoms. That's atomic mass is 107.9 atomic mass unit. So these two questions, question number 2 and 3, test yourself questions. Now we move on next question. Now here it is some different type of question. Now see here, X-ray diffraction studies show that copper crystallize in a FCC unit cell with age length of 3.608 into 10 to power minus 8 centimeter. In a separate experimentally, the copper is, now here it is copper is determined to have a density of 8.92 gram per centimeter. Calculate the atomic number of copper. Now first of all I am writing here density formula Z into molar mass upon A cube, that means volume, into Avogadro number Na. So first of all you see, now what is the question? Question is calculate the atomic mass. So here it is atomic mass. Now atomic mass mm which is stated from here. Now we cross multiply here. Now density into A cube and Na upon Z. So formula we get final formula mm, which is equals to density into A cube into Avogadro number. So here it is also very important. Now density is that what? Density is here 8.92 gram per centimeter. Now put on the value 8.92 gram per centimeter cube upon age length is A cube, that means here it is age length 3.608 into 10 to power minus 8 centimeter into Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 to power 23. upon how much? 4. How much? 4. So here it is very important. So now after that we calculate. Now see, now we calculate this value. First of all we write here now mm, which is equals to 8.982 gram per centimeter into here it is 3 times, here it is 3 times. So 3.608 into 3.608 into 3.608 and 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, and how much is there? 8 means 8 2 8 3 is 24. So 10 to the power minus 24. So here it is also cut upon 4. Now finally mm, which is equals to 8.92 gram per centimeter. If that case we calculated, now see here 3.608 into 3.608 into 3.608, how much into 46.96. okay, and last one the 6.023 upon 4. Now how much? Now see, again I am multiplying here. First of all 8.92 into 46.96 we consider as 47 also, and into 6.023. now how much? 2522.9 also we consider as 2523. so upon 4, so which is equals to divide upon 4. how much is 630. so final answer is that. And how much? Now answer is edge length. Now see here student, now almost the same answer is here. Now see, diffraction, that means 6.31. so I am taking approximate, so here it is very important. okay, so we calculated almost the same answer. Question number 5, test yourself question. And question number 6, now see, an element of atomic mass 40 occurs in FCC structure with a edge of 540 picometer. Calculate the Avogadro's number if the density is 1.7 gram. So here it is also very important. Now calculate the Avogadro's number. So first of all, density, which is equals to Z into mm, molar mass, volume into Avogadro number. So what is the question? Question is Avogadro number. So first of all we simplify Avogadro number into A cube into Na, which is equals to Z into mm. So whenever Na we find, we need Na, so Z into Ma and density into A cube. So I think you should complete these equations. Now see, FCC, it is put on the 4, and molar mass is, what is the molar mass? Molar mass was 40. So here is also simple 40. Now density is that 1.7 gram per centimeter, and edge length is 500 picometer. So 540 cube and into 10 to the power minus 30. So here it is very important, very simple. Now simple equations, so you can do in further. So question number 6, after that question number 7. So look, question number 7, an element has BCC, that's edge length is 288 picometer and density of the elements is 7.2 gram per centimeter. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of elements? How many atoms are present in the 208 gram of the elements? Now what is the what is the questions? Now once again I repeat, an element has BCC, that means Z's value. First of all I am writing here, okay, Z into mm upon A cube into Avogadro's number. So what is the formula? Now Avogadro number, what is the formula? An element has BCC, edge length of 2. So edge length is placed here, and density of the element, density also here, and how many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element, that means molar mass is here. That means now similar questions. Now here it is find out, what is the find out of questions? Just here the molar mass, many atoms are present here. So what is the molar mass of? So molar mass, that means mm, which is equals to what? mm. So I am first of all simplify, see here. Now density into volume into Avogadro number, and Z into molar mass. So molar mass, which is equals to density into A cube into Na upon Z. So this value you will put. And question number 8 and 9, test yourself question on the basis of previous question. So see, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.